Urhobo ado. No na me gonna talk my IBIETA le di urhobo kugbobole mran. Today I want to talk about letter D and how it sounds in Urhobo. The last class we talked about letter B and how it sounds. For in Urhobo language, we don't have letter C that stand on its own. Letter C must for it to sound, it must go with another word. That is why we don't have singular letter C in Urhobo. So we jump that letter because it's not in Urhobo alphabet. We go to letter D. That is why I'm talking about letter D now in Urhobo. Letter D, which sound when you combine the vowels and the consonant sound, it sound like e.g. da, de, di, do, do. Some examples are da, drink, da, drink, or drink it, da, drink it, dame, drink water, Davwe Try, Dẹ Buy, Dẹ-ewun Buy dress, Do-rhe Throw. You can also say do means you are greeting someone who is tired after being stressed up, maybe going to work or going to farm or do one or two things, and the person is tired, or the person has been working and you want to a kind of make the person feel relieved. You greet the person do, which means you are greeting the person based on the stress that the person have gone through, for the person to be able to feel relieved. Do greetings, like when you say vrendo means the vre means rise, then the do means you are greeting the person for kneeling down to greet you, which is rise up. Do, you are greeting the person. Do-rhe throw it or throw it here. Do-Kufia, throw it away. Dooo Greeting. Djoma buy my own. Dje, what? Dje, what? Djẹ, what happened? Dje, what? Djẹ, what happened? Dẹ-ewun, what are you doing? Dẹ-ewun, what are you doing? Dje Run. You can also say Dje. The Dje means drive or drive it. Dje, like you are driving, they are asking you to drive car now. You say Dje, drive it. Then we have yaran, run down or run away, or yaran, drive it away. Dje, run down. No, Dje, drive it down. Then when you say Dje, there is different. If you look at the sound now, Dje means run down. Dje means drive it down. To drive a car or to ride a bike, you tell the person Dje means the person should drive it down. Then Dje means run down. Dje, run down. Then we have Dje Show it, Dje Drive, kẹvwẹ, drive it for me. Kẹvwẹ, make sure you see the difference. The sound is different there. When you say Dje, drive it down. Dje, run down. There is different. Dje, drive it down. Dje, run down here or run down. Dje, show it. Dje Drive. Kẹvwẹ, show it to me. Djẹ, show it to him or her. Duvwo Pearce it. Duvw'iyorin Swear. Djoma Strict. Or it can also mean, the Djoma can also means introduction of oneself. Djoma Introduction of oneself. Or for somebody to be strict, which is Djoma, is same spelling but different meanings. That is what that word stands for. Djoma Strict, to be strict. Djoma Introduction of oneself. Djoma kẹvwẹ, that is introduce yourself for me. Then we have some sentences which are Dẹ-ewun, what is your name? Dẹ-ewun Swear, what is your father's name? Dẹ-ewun, what is your mother's name? Dẹ-ewun, what are you doing? Dẹ-ewun, what are you doing? Then Dẹ-ewun, what are you looking at? Dẹ-ewun, what are you looking at? Dẹ-ewun, what are you doing? Dẹ-ewun, what are you looking at? Dẹ-ewun, what are you eating? Dẹ-ewun, cover it for me. Do-kufia, throw it for me. Dẹ, buy for him or her. Dẹ, buy it, or Dẹ, buy it for me. Dẹ, buy for me. Dẹ, buy it for me. Dẹ, buy for me. Dẹ, buy it for me. Dẹ-ewun, taste it, taste it, taste it. Dẹ-ewun, taste it. Dẹ-ewun also means to try it, try it, try it, or taste it, like what I've said before. Davwe Try. Davwe Try. I think that is where I'm going to stop in the letter D. Our next class, we are going to talk about letter E. Don't forget, we have two E's in Urhobo. They sound differently. One sound as A, while the other one sound as E. So you will get the two difference in our next class. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for following up. I'm so grateful. I love you all, my people. Urhobo, Urhobo, Wado.